With the introduction of Android 8.0 Oreo, Google has added a feature into their mobile operating system that lets custom ROMs install easier on devices. This new feature is known as Treble, and it allows for developers to more easily adapt custom ROMs to any device as long as it is compatible with Project Treble. And since Google has made it mandatory that Android 8.0 and higher devices ship with it, then as long as you can unlock the bootloader, you can install a Project Treble custom ROM on your device. So to take the guesswork out of finding out if your smartphone or tablet is compatible with Project Treble, I want to show you an application, a free application in the Play Store called Treble Check. And all you have to do is download it from the Play Store. I'll have it linked in the full tutorial on my website. And then we just need to open it up. So you're going to get two pieces of information here. This top part will tell you if your smartphone supports Project Treble, which, as you can see here, the Redmi Note 5 currently supports Project Treble. And then you're going to see another section right underneath it called Systemless System Updates. So whenever you go and look for a Project Treble custom ROM, it's going to have two different versions. I mean, it's going to have technically four different versions. You're going to have two versions for 32-bit phones, and then you're going to have two versions for 64-bit phones. Now, most phones these days are 64-bit, so you can basically assume that your device is 64-bit. So then you just need to find out if your device supports seamless system updates, which is also known as the slot A and slot B partition system. So if I was to go and download the Lineage OS Project Treble compatible custom ROM, then I'm going to need to download the 64-bit version of it for the Redmi Note 5, and I'm going to need to download the single partition slot version of it instead of the dual partition slot version. Once you have downloaded that, then you can flash it either through command prompt or through TWRP, and then you can easily run that custom ROM on that device. So that is how to check if your phone or tablet currently supports Project Treble or not.